Hey, what's up guys? So I just did a temporary install on my old diesel heater out of my van. Temporary installed it in the garage, so Jerry rigged it up. Not the best thing. I'm gonna do a permanent install though with it in my garage. I have, I think it's the dyed diesel, farm diesel in there. I got some from a place I buy fuel from. And I had some old vegetable oil, which I filtered, and I mixed some injector cleaner. I think I had a little bit of kerosene, and I mixed a little bit of gasoline and put that in the tank, kind of top it up, get rid of it. It was just sitting in like a windshield washer container. And it burns it. So that's what I'm doing in my garage when I'm doing little knickknacks and installs and stuff like that. Working on my go-kart, fixing little odd bits and bobs and stuff like that, right? So I'll do that, and so far it works good. I'm in here in a t-shirt, and it's pumping out the heat. It's not cold or anything, but I've seen people doing that. What I'm probably gonna do is, hold on a sec, I'll flip this around. So what I'm thinking of doing, and yes, I know it's a fucking mess over here. I have to clean everything up. I had an oil spill over here. Jug of used oil burst or something, and I don't know what happened, but so what I'm thinking of doing is getting one of those exhaust ports that you see in automotive shops, putting it, over there or something, so I can vent the exhaust out. Right now it's, the garage door's open and I just jam all that stuff there for now. Or what I could do is right over there on the concrete, goes out to my driveway. I could drill a hole and put the exhaust tube out and then have it in that corner. I'd have to, like I said, I gotta clean all this stuff up. This is just so I can work on my go-kart in here and oil the axle, stop it from rusting, and spray some penetrating oil and stuff on the exhaust pipe for my go-kart, so that way it's do it every couple months just to keep it tip-top shape, because it's just sitting out here with no heat. It's a non-heated garage. So anyways, hope that inspires you guys to do something similar. I've seen a whack load of videos on YouTube. Kind of cool. The fan was starting to make noise in that. The bearing, I think, starting to go. So if I'm going to be out here for an hour or two, it's not going to kill it. But if it goes, it goes. Cheap way to heat your garage, even if I run it out of a whole tank for, I don't know, every 4 or 5 times I use it, it's pretty cheap. Maybe you could definitely heat a house, a small cabin or something, a workshop. I've seen people do workshops. I've seen people do, I think some guy had one in a cabin. The problem's over in Europe right now. Ideas, all ideas. Anyways, guys, talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.